A special thank you to Javy for collaborating with me on today's video.
Hey y'all, hey, today's video is something special. It is in partnership with Javy Coffee. They wanted to send me their product to review. If you've never heard of them, then you probably don't know this, but it is a microdose coffee concentrate. It is designed to make your life a little bit simpler because it's like a pour and go type coffee situation. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this product for you guys, and I'm gonna make 2 fall recipe drinks for you guys. If you like apple pie, you are probably gonna love what it is that I'm going to create. So let's get into it.
So everything that was in my box as a reviewer are these straws, and I absolutely love that it came in a duster bag so you can travel with them easily. And the color that they sent me is like a gold shade, and it also comes with a brush for the straw so that you can clean them. And they also have the silicone tips to help prevent hurting your teeth if you are a straw biter, as well as the coffee concentrate itself. And y'all, I am so excited to create these fall drinks for you guys.
Okay, so I'm about to smell it because I smell everything when I open stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that you can get 30 servings out of this one bottle. So that is a ton of coffee. And like I said, it's coffee on the go. You can have it iced, you can have it hot, however you like it, you can have it and you can try it. But let's see how it smells. Can I do this? Oh my gosh. Let me put on my oven glove. Oh yeah, I did it. Okay, so let's see. It smells so good. Oh wow, I'm really excited about this, y'all, because you know, if you're new here, my name is Denise. I am a stay-at-home mom, and rarely do I get the opportunity to drink my coffee while it's hot anyway. So let's just see what this is all about. So like I said earlier, I am gonna be making some apple pie spice drinks for you guys, and I already took the liberties of making that simple syrup ahead of time, and it's in the freezer right now chilling and cooling down. But I am going to just show you guys how it was that I made it so you can make it for yourself.
So first things first, you're gonna need some apple juice. I really wish I could have found apple juice concentrate, but they didn't have any. You also need some apple pie spice. It's a little on the pricier side, but you also need some sugar. 1.5 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of apple juice, and then you need 1/4 of a teaspoon of apple spice. And then you are going to turn it on high so that you can bring it to a boil. I did stir it just a little bit prior to boiling so that everything can incorporate well together. And you let it boil for 2 minutes, and then you take it off of the heat and you cool it down with like 1/2 cup of ice. That's optional, you don't have to do it, because I did put mine directly into the freezer after it was cooled down a little bit with the ice. First, I'm gonna make my iced coffee, and I'm gonna drizzle some caramel in the glassware beforehand. I'm going to add my 2 teaspoons of, I'm sorry guys, 2 teaspoons of the Javy. I'm gonna add 5 teaspoons of the apple spice syrup, as well as some ice, some almond milk, and I'm gonna top it with some whipped cream and drizzle some more caramel on top. hot version of this drink, I'm going to have my almond milk already steaming while I prepare. I'm going to add the Javy coffee concentrate, the simple syrup, the warmed milk, as well as some foam on top. Okay, so out of the two drinks, I'm gonna try the hot coffee first, and it's no longer hot. It's actually really warm, but I'm gonna give it a good stirring, and I'm gonna use my straw. It's so good. It's coffee. It tastes great, and I only use what was recommended, 1 to 2 tablespoons or 1 to 2 teaspoons, and yeah, it tastes so good. I never made that apple pie spice simple syrup before, and so this is my first time, so everything is like brand new for me as well, but it tastes so good, y'all. Oh my God, make sure you check the description box. I have the recipe for that simple syrup down there as well. But yeah, that is really yummy. And you're the reason why my coffee is always cold. But now I'm gonna try the iced coffee. Okay, so funny story about these types of metal straws and cold drinks. One time my lip got stuck to the straw. I totally felt like that little kid in that Christmas, is it Christmas Carol story or Christmas Story? You know the movie where the little guy gets his tongue stuck on that pole? That's what I'm afraid of now. But with these straws, they have the little rubberized little silicone tip right here for your lips. But yeah, I'm really curious to see how this one tastes. It's so good. I think that the simple syrup is delicious. So if you don't like pumpkin, this is a great alternative. It's so good. Y'all, it's so good. Like, oh my God. It's really good. If you don't want to try a specialty coffee like the ones I made in this video, go ahead and just make your coffee hot just the way you like it. But remember, you can add a tablespoon of this Javy coffee to your regular hot coffee just to increase the intensity of it, and that'll be just fine, because a lot of people just love the experience of having a coffee and they want to do that whole process of still making the coffee. But you can add Javy to your coffee experience any way you like it. So that's what I chose to do with mine. I was gonna make a Frappuccino, but I didn't want to waste too much product. I already have 2 coffees here. I'm definitely gonna kill this, and I may reheat this because I still got a lot of day left in me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 recipes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also consider subscribing if you are new here. Don't forget to check my description box for my link. It will allow you to save a little bit of money on your first purchase. And yeah, you will not regret it. Please come back to this video if you want to create the apple pie spice simple syrup to create those fall drinks that you've been craving, if you are also like me and you don't enjoy pumpkin coffee. Again, thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!